Exceptional, definitely come back. Would recommend this to friends. Responsive host. Great place with good location. Just 30 minutes drive to airport, including heavy traffic time. Warm and clean one. Good location, many cafes, restaurants and convenience stores nearby. Also, less 3 minutes walking distance can reach Imago Mall. 2. Warm, clean and comfortable. 3. Worth for money. Definitely worth it. Love the place, nice and homey, romantic face emoji, guidelines for self-check-in and customer services are exceeded expectation. Plus, shops are nearby so it's easy to shop around. Will definitely offer my family to stay here again in the future. Modern and cozy home. Love to stay here again some other time. This house has everything you need from the kitchen, living room, a desk table and bedroom. The view is partially pool views to the ground swimming pool. Easy access to 24/7 mart, restaurant and many shops on the ground floor. The host is friendly and gives you instructions and guidelines of the place. Thumbs up emoji, smiling face emoji, stay review. It was a wonderful experience staying at the apartment as the facilities were all provided. Apartment was modern and very clean. Ample space for my 2 kids to play around and its easy access to a go and various eateries within the building make it perfect for us. The host is easily contactable and very helpful. We'll definitely stay here again whenever we're back to KK. Highly recommended place to stay for a small family. Fantastic stay recommended place for your family. Exceptional clean and perfect for my family. Exceptional. Kemas. Bersi. Dekat DGN Imago, JLN Kaki Ja. Bikka Dijg di Bawa Ndajo Berjalan. Ada swimming pool for family with kids youth activishi. Thank you. Great place to stay. Great place to stay, walking distance to Imago. Just that you can hear the chaos of children using the swimming pool in the morning. But we'll come back again. Thank you to our host for your warm welcome. Nice place to stay. It's been my 4th time staying here. Overall was good. The place was very cozy and strategic, near to Imago Mall and Gleneagles Hospital. I will definitely come back again. I love the facilities too.